In this video, we will cover how to create a harvest configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest. Under the Configuration tab, press the Add button. Under Select Combine, press the Add button. Select the correct make and model from the provided drop-down list. Press the green check mark. Under Select Header, press the Add button. Select the correct header type from the drop-down list. Press Next. Enter in the correct number of rows and correct row spacing. Press Next. Press the green check mark. Select your correct ground speed sources. Your primary ground speed source should be set to GPS, and your backup ground speed source should be set to radar. Press the green check mark, and as you can see, our newly made harvest configuration is now present in the list. We have now covered how to create a harvest configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.